In this video, we're going to look at 3D objects and we're going to figure out what the names of these 3D objects are. So if we have a problem like this that says circle the correct word that describes the shape. So for this one, we can see that this is a cube. So we know that this is a cube. We know that this ball here is a sphere. So it's a sphere. We circle that one. We know that this is a cylinder, so let's circle cylinder. We know that this is like a cube, but stretched. So it's, I guess, a cuboid. That's the correct name for that. This looks like a pyramid, just like the pyramids you see in Egypt. So that's a pyramid. This is a prism because it's triangular in shape. And then this is a cone, kind of like an ice cream cone, but upside down. So those are the matching words that describe the shape. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. Thank you so much for listening.